Hello. It's time for the playthrough of It's Raining. This is green belt, and I'm going to say right now that I think It's Raining might be the hardest song in the book. You will learn to do more challenging things, but this is the biggest jump forward, so you need to be patient with yourself. However, this is not the video where I will be teaching It's Raining. This is just the playthrough. So I am going to play It's Raining 5 times so you can practice along with me. There's also a much higher chance that I will make mistakes. Okay, here we go. This one starts on the 4th beat. It's got called a pickup note. So I will be counting 1, 2, 3. It's rain, like that. Get a good solid G and be ready for your E. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. It occurs to me that I should probably play that one a little slower. Okay, so we'll slow the tempo down. It's raining. Make sure you take breaths. Don't try to do this one without breathing. 1, 2, 3. Cool. All right, that's a slower one. Let's take it a little faster. We're never gonna go super fast on this one. It's 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Nice work. All right, our next song is Old MacDonald Had a Farm. That will be your purple belt. See ya there.